Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Today we're doing another unboxing video. Except this one is drinkable. It's ingestible. It's not makeup. So this was actually sent to me by this company for review. I'm happy to present Sips By. This is a monthly subscription box, and you get to customize basically what kind of teas you like. So to go over how this works. So you get a profile just like you do on a lot of subscription boxes. This is very cool. So you get to customize what kind of flavor teas. Do you like florals? Do you like the spicy ones? Do you like green tea, black tea, whatever tea you want, like literally all kinds of tea. Check which ones you like. Do you like loose tea, or do you like it already pre-made in the bag? There's like a whole thing you go through. And not only that, they also customize the little thing with your name on it, and I'll show you that in 1 second. But these do go for $15, but with my code right here and also in the description box below, you get $5 off. So make sure you check them out at the end of this video after I show you what's in it, right? So to show you, this is the April box. So when you open it up, it says Sips By, and then you have April teas. Now on the back of it, as I was just talking about, it tells you that it's custom. Now I don't know why I did this, because for when I'm filling stuff out, I write my full name, but it says Jennifer, made for Jennifer. I hate that. I go by Jen. I don't know why I did this to myself, but it's customized. Only very few people from back in the day call me that. So anyways, it does tell you what you got in, what different teas that I got in my box, and a little bit about them. So let's see what I got. All right, the first thing I'm seeing right here is called Buddha Teas. It says Happiness from Within. It is a calm Buddha blend. Now let's read about it. This is caffeine free. It is John's wort, spearmint leaf, lavender, flower, cinnamon, all kinds of good herbs in it. It is drink the essence of tranquility. This caffeine free blend features sustainable harvest pure herbs that help reduce stress and create a luxurious, relaxing experience. And if you like this particular tea, because there is different brands of tea in here, you can get 20% off of this particular one with a code Sips By Buddha Teas right here. You can read that. You get that off. So yeah, very cool. Now, as a little special treat, because I have not actually tried, oh, and this, you get 4 of these. You get 4 of, I think you get 4 of each kind. So this is all like 100% recyclable, no artificial flavors, like very organic tea. So the special treat is I made a cup of it. So this is the little thing that it shows Buddha Teas, and it is currently steeping. So I'm going to go over the rest of this, what's in the box, and then we'll come back and I will try this for myself. All right, the next one is Nepal tea. This is again organic from the Himalayas, and this is a breakfast tea. And this is a loose tea. Very cool. So this is the loose tea, and then this is the muslin cloth tea bag, disposable bags inside. So this is the little bags that that you put the tea in. So that is very cool. There's actually 7 of these bags, so that is really awesome. All right, let's talk about Nepal breakfast tea. Now this one is high caffeine. It is a breakfast tea. It's a good way to jumpstart your morning, get you started with lots of energy. Start the day the Nepalese way with this unique organic masala chai featuring a delicious homemade masala chai mix. brew with milk and sugar for enhanced taste. So it is a chai tea. That's super exciting. I love chai tea. I love it, especially when you brew it with milk, and oh, it's so good. So this is very exciting to me. The cool thing about loose teas that I am interested in trying is maybe not putting it in the bag. I haven't figured out how it works, but I want to learn to read tea leaves, kind of like tarot cards and oracle cards and all that stuff that I do. But tea leaves is another divination tool that I can try, so I want to try that. Very cool. The next one we have is organic green tea. Again, you get 4 of them. And this is green tea peppermint. So this will be good for when you're sick or you're not feeling good. Peppermint tea, I love it to help just clear everything and make you feel good and refreshed. Now this is low caffeine. It's cool and refreshing, uplifting blend, helps to soothe your belly and alleviate digestive discomfort. It provides a gentle energy boost and is great along with breakfast or lunch. So there is that. Now this does say to steep for about 10 to 15 minutes, so it takes a little longer. I think that's really cool. It tells you how long you need to steep it for, what the temperature water should be for you to do it, and just everything, all the details are there. So that is another really cool feature of this. All right, the last one I see in here, so it looks like you get 4 different brands of teas or 4 different flavors and brands of teas with about 4 in each kind. So that's a lot for 15 bucks, like, or even $10, $5 off. Don't forget, $5 off your first month. So for 10 bucks, you get all this tea. Like, how cool is that? So this is Tea Kitten. Ooh, this is a herbal tea tart tea to the party. Tart tea to the party. 4 servings again. This is a loose tea. That's why I got so many bags, because I got 2 loose ones. Hibiscus, apple, papaya, strawberry, elderberries, lots of berries, sunflower, and cornflower. That is pretty cool. I've never heard of anything like this. Now this is caffeine free. And it says, we're not kidding when we say that this is the perfect copycat to fruit punch. What? Brew it hot and cuddle up with a mug, or brew it cold for a refreshing fruity delight. Yes, that's freaking awesome. You get 20% off with code SIPSBY. And it's a fruit punch. That sounds so good. That's why there's so many berries. Duh. That is awesome. Man, I should have tried this one. That's what I get for not opening it up and putting my tea in there and everything first. But, you know, a calming tea will be good anyway. You can relax before the kids come home from school. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the box. Now, before we end this video, let's see what it tastes like. The Buddha tea. Yes, I'm one of those weirdos that like to keep the spoon in. Like, I do that with my coffee too. I always keep the spoon in there. So, and I like my teas with, I usually put some honey in it, but I didn't want to take away from the flavor because I don't want it to alter the flavor. So I did a little bit of sugar instead. So let's try this. That is good stuff. It almost kind of, this one reminds me of chamomile. Definitely taste some kind of chamomile in there. That, of course, chamomile is a calming tea, so it makes sense. But yeah, that's really good. I cannot wait to try all of these other teas that we have here. And I do have a link below if you want to check them out. You can kind of see what all that they offer. Go through the profile, you know, and that really shows you also what their options are and what kind of things of tea that you probably have not even heard of. So it's a good way to try things that you haven't heard of or kind of expand your horizons on that. And if you want to get away from coffee, that kind of thing. So you can opt for caffeine free only if you want. It's up to you. I chose a variety. That's just me. So anyways, a big thank you to Sips By for sending me this box. I really, really appreciate it to be able to try it out and to be able to show other people this awesome box. Anyways, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. And I will see you on my next one every, Tuesday, every Thursday, and every Saturday. So I will see you on Thursday. Alrighty? Okay, bye.